The story begins where waste is gathered.
Discarded plastic enters a second life.
Movement replaces stagnation.
Human judgment still matters.
Compression is undone.
Foreign materials are removed early.
Weight defines direction. Technology starts to take over.
Order emerges from chaos.
Airborne waste disappears.
Flow is carefully timed. Preparation is complete. The cleansing begins. Clean material begins its controlled journey. Elevation brings direction.
The factory guides every movement.